Think you're doing push-ups correctly? What if I told you that one tiny mistake could be stealing your strength, limiting your chest growth, and putting unnecessary stress on your shoulders? Most people have been doing push-ups the wrong way for years, and they don't even realize it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to perform the perfect push-up, step by step. Stick around, because one simple adjustment near the end could instantly make every rep more powerful. Let's start with what goes wrong. Take a look at the average. Push-up. The hips sag toward the floor. The elbows flare out, almost like chicken wings. The head hangs down, and the body bends in the middle instead of moving as one solid unit. At first it feels easier, but over time these mistakes reduce chest activation, overload the shoulders, and strain the lower back. Here's something to think about. If your body isn't moving as one piece, are you really getting stronger or just getting better at bad movement? Don't worry. The fix is easier than you think. Everything starts before the first rep. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Spread your fingers and press firmly into the floor. Think of your hands as creating a stable platform. Now step your feet back. Imagine your body is a perfectly straight wooden plank. From your head to your shoulders to your hips to your heels, everything should stay in one straight line. Here's a simple analogy. A skyscraper is only as strong as its foundation. Your core is that foundation. If the foundation collapses, the entire structure becomes unstable. So before every rep, tighten your abs and squeeze your glutes. You're not just preparing for a push-up, you're building a moving plank. Now comes the movement. Instead of letting your elbows fly straight out, keep them at about a 45-degree angle from your body. This protects your shoulders, while allowing your chest and triceps to produce more force. Lower yourself, slowly. Don't rush. Imagine you're lowering your body into a narrow elevator shaft. Everything moves together. Your chest, your hips, your legs, all descend at the same speed. Keep your neck neutral. Look a few feet ahead on the floor instead of dropping your chin. Go until your chest is just above the ground. Not halfway, not bouncing, just controlled. Movement with full range. This is where real strength is built. Here's the mistake most people never notice. They only think about pushing themselves away from the floor. Instead, think about pushing the floor away from you. That tiny mental shift creates more tension throughout your entire body. Drive through your palms. Keep your core tight. Exhale as you press upward. Rise in one straight line until your elbows are fully extended, but don't aggressively lock them. Smooth, controlled, powerful. That's the difference between exercising and training with purpose. Want to make every push-up even better? Before each rep, imagine you're trying to twist your hands outward without actually moving them. This creates extra shoulder stability and activates your upper body more effectively. Another game-changing tip? Slow down. A 3-second descent builds more control, improves muscle activation, and exposes weaknesses that fast reps hide. Remember, perfect reps always beat more reps. Let's recap. Start with a straight body. Brace your core, hands just wider than shoulder width, elbows around 45 degrees lower, under control. Push the floor away and move your body as one solid unit. Now here's your challenge. Do 10 flawless push-ups using these techniques. Forget your old number. Focus only on perfect form. You'll immediately notice stronger chest activation, better stability, and less stress on your shoulders. Master the basics, and every advanced exercise becomes easier. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember, Perfect form creates powerful results. I'll see you in the next workout.